Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to my reaction. So as you guys can see, I don't have my headphones on because I took a trip out of town to visit a friend of mine, so I don't have my headphones. So I was able to separate the recording playing from YouTube and then my voice recording, from my mic. So all gonna be infused together. I'm so sorry. So I'm here today to react to another video to the group SB19. Basically, this is a dance practice video to the music video What? That was recently released a couple days ago. So I'm so excited. Come on, dance practice. Oh God, I love me some Ken. Okay. He better slip sing his lyrics. Come on, still, her masculinity. Hey. It's so funny to me that I'm looking at their shoes right now, all different type of shoes really, and you could see the personality within their shoes. I like that. Oh, I didn't know they do that. That hand movement, I didn't know they do that. Oh, that is some good hand movement right there. Yes, Vogue. Yeah. I really don't like those boots. I always want one of those boots that Ken have on. I see them a lot at like Hot Topic or Postcom or something. Wah 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 wah. Wah 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 wah. Dee dum 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 da. Dee dum 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 da. Oh, that was so nice. What was that? Yes! Yes! Come on, dance skills! Yes! Oh, my baby! Oh, they were practicing all day. They're almost out of breath. I'm out of breath just watching. Yes. Yes, not miss not one kill. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh my god, Josh and Justin look so cute. Yes, 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 yes. As you guys could see, that was a dance practice to the group SB19. As you guys know, I love me some Ken. We were able to see Stell, we were able to see Pablo, Justin, and Josh perform a practice. I know basically off of Making a Flame 1, 2, and 3, I can see how hard it worked on this music video and this song. So I'm really proud of them. So thanks to the ones who recommended me to direct this and introduced the group to me. I'm so happy. I can't wait to go to Philippines after this coronavirus and everything's situated. I already do. And meet with some Philippine. Never mind, I forgot kids do watch my stuff. For kids out there, I can't wait to go to Philippines to meet them, and meet the people, meet the culture, and for my adults. Anywho, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.